Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Adobe Premiere Elements tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur out an object or person in your video that you don't want to be seen. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button for me. I'm about 600 subscribers away from hitting that 10K milestone. So that would be amazing. If you find value in these videos, head on down below, hit that subscribe button. And if you have friends or family that might find value in my videos, make sure you share it with them too. So without further ado, let's get into the software and learn how to blur out an object or person in your videos. So once you've started a new project and loaded your media, the first step you want to take is to drag your media down onto the timeline. So in this video clip, we have me at a ski resort, and let's say that we want to blur out these people over here. You would go over to the right hand side, click on the FX button, and then you want to search for blur. And then you'll see you have your blur options. So most people would kind of just grab that and drag it down. And as you can see, what happens is that actually blurs everything. So if you just want to blur out a section of your video, in this case, these people here, the trick to that is to head to the left-hand side to your panel options, click on New Item, Adjustment Layer. Take the adjustment layer, drag it above your video, and we're going to shrink the adjustment layer and drag it up over to the top left corner. And that is all that we want to blur. Now we're going to go back over here to the FX, take our blur, and this time we're going to drag it onto our adjustment layer. And as you can see, now we are only blurring that section of the video, and we're keeping, in this case, myself in focus, but blurring everything else. So there you have it, a simple and easy way to add blur to your videos by using an adjustment layer along with the blur tool. So if you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. It really makes a difference. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you share this video with friends and family. Ask them to subscribe too. I'm almost at 10K. Thanks so much for your support. And until next time, take it easy out there.